Very good.
Yeah, I got a situation. You can tell me if I'm right or wrong. She's quite the sensation, but the list goes on and on. Touching on her tattoos, while she does coke in the bathroom, while the band plays in the back room, trying to take her out the venue. She's somebody that don't need nobody. She's just stuck in my head. Lives of satisfaction, I can't get no reaction. She's just stuck in my head. She's somebody that don't need nobody. She's still stuck in my head. Lips of satisfaction, I can't get no reaction. She's still stuck in my head. Yeah,
still moving.
And while we are young, let's be stupid. Just you, me, the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Slide to the next. I thought we had it all together again. Would you let me strand and tell me into your hands? I'm looking around, what's going on? 1 minute you're there, the next you're gone. I'm running out of chances, I want you back again. Would you let me strand and think I'm going insane?
Think of it.
Sometimes all you need is a smile to get by. We're one step closer to find ourselves a perfect place, a feeling you just can't deny. So come on over, 'cause I could never live without you. Everywhere we go, nobody knows we're waiting for the time to let go and do what's right for
Go, go,
us.
Anna.
Out here, way beyond the tracks, the story of us and how we never look back. This is our time, this is our life.
That's good. Come on.
Cause I just wanna get closer. Started out here, way beyond the tracks. The story of us and how we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life. And sometimes all you need is a smile. Oh yeah. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life. Sometimes all you need is a smile to get by. So you think you were right? Bring it on, bring it on, prove me wrong. Where do I knock you down? You know there's an ocean between us. Don't cry about it. Don't cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. Oh no, you know that ain't the way. Oh no, there's nothing new in this game. You got to get it up, get it up, get it up, get it up. I'm wearing you out. Keep on waiting night, way up in the clouds. Ready to knock you down. You know there's an ocean between us. Don't cry about it. Don't cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. Oh no, you know that ain't the way. Oh no, there's nothing new in this game. You got to get it up, get it up. But you got to get it up, get it up. You got to get it up, get it up. No, 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 get it up, get it up. You know there's an ocean between us.
Oh, thank you. Hola, ¿qué tal? YAKUMO. Oh my gosh.
Has fet una pastera amb aquesta gelera?
Vaya.
We just gave without it. Important. Pronto, se cantaremos. Barbecue time.
I'm to body blown up.
Hoy me levanté con ganas de brillar. Mi corazón no para de saltar. El mundo es gigante y yo quiero conocerlo con mi sonrisa por delante. Las bendiciones lloverán del cielo. Brilla, brilla, brilla como el sol. Canta, canta, canta con amor. Pinta, pinta, pinta de color. Si tu energía contagia, eres magia, eres vida para la vida si juegas conmigo. Eres mi amigo, por eso y más yo siempre estaré contigo. El mundo es gigante y yo quiero conocerlo con mi sonrisa por delante. Las bendiciones lloverán del cielo. Del cielo. Brilla, brilla, brilla como el sol. Canta, canta, canta con amor. Pinta, pinta de color. Pinta tu carita de color. Brilla, brilla, brilla como el sol. Canta, canta, canta con amor. Pinta, pinta de color. Pinta, pinta, pinta de colores. Amigos, es un placer haber compartido esta aventura con ustedes. Recuerden hacerle caso a sus padres y ser muy feliz. Bling, bling.
I thought you didn't wanna hang with me. Just not your kind of thing. You'd rather sit under your favorite tree. That's how it seemed to me.
too fast. I've slowed down for you.
Okay.
I once had a visitor from Australia in the car, and I was doing my usual speed.
Ah.
And then I noticed holding on to the seat.
Okay. Oh, lovely. There. Who went there for pub? So. Okay.
Maybe it wasn't meant to be, just like in a dream. Maybe I'm starting to feel what true love can be. She is out of reach for someone like me. Baby, you keep pushing me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Stop putting things in my head. Baby, 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 stop tempting me. Is it a dream? Only time will tell.
That's enough.
Maybe she's fooling us all to get what she wants. She's just playing games. Maybe that's what I want. She is all